be heard. Everyone always remember that if we have an empowered youth, united voice, basically that's a better future. And I'm thank you.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, Christian Nicolai.
And everyone, we are to welcome candidate number 5, Jolisa Nicole Santos.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lisa, go ahead and take from the board, please, and let me read you the question. Ready? Board ready. Here we go. How will you handle criticism on social media as a public figure if you win the grand prize? I repeat, how will you handle criticism on social media as a public figure if you win the grand prize?
I believe that I can handle all the criticism on social media if I ever win the crown by inspiring and continuing to influence the youth, especially today that Cebu has experienced calamity that washed out a lot of houses and died a lot of our fellow Filipinos. I believe that even though they criticize me, even though they share on me, I will not stop to be vocal about our environment. The supporting the SDG 13 climate action that we need to action right now, because if we can't action right now and influence the youth to take a part of it, then when? I believe that if the youth is empowered to make a change, we can all together make a better future. And I thank you.
Thank you very much for the candidate number 5, Jolisa Nicole Santos. I will definitely be checking.